Yo, what's up, guys? So I'm on the dreaded process of doing plugs on a ZX14. It's definitely not the funnest job to do, but you know, it's got to be done. So let's dig into this. So check me out. I got the side fairings off. I'm pretty sure you guys already know how to do all that junk. And I took this bolt out right here so I can get down there to this one. And then I took this bolt out and this bolt out that holds this bracket on right here. And I unplugged this plug, which is this right here, and moved some stuff around, some wiring, just to get to this first one, which you probably can't see right now because I got it out. And then I got this one. So the two outer ones are pretty good. The other ones, good luck. You're gonna have to do a lot of finagling and a lot of wiggling and a lot of cursing and a lot of everything. But I am here to share something with you to make your life a tad bit easier. Here go the coil, and it's going down like that. As you see, this little crusty stuff I got right here on here, I put a little bit of WD-40 or a little bit of like grease or something on here, and then I rub it around with my fingers, and then I stick it down in there, because when you go to pull it back out, you know, a year from now or 2 months or 3 months or whatever, however much you riding your bike, you have to change your plug at some point, it slides out easy. What's really holding it in there is these little 3 rubber seals right here, and also, like, I don't think these touch really that much, but these right here is what holds this coil, this coil pack in there pretty tightly. So if you put a little bit of WD-40 on it and just get a nice coating, so when you slide it back down in there, so when you go to slide it back out or whatever, it's not as hard. So that's just one tip to check out. But the next thing, I don't know if a lot of you people, when you're doing your plugs, gap your plugs. Kawasaki recommends 0.8 and 0.9 millimeters for gapping your plugs. I have already did these, but I was going to show you the process that I go through to do this. So, okay, so you're going to have two tools. You're going to have this spark plug gapper / checker. Excuse me. You can get it from AutoZone, Advance Auto, CarQuest. Make sure it has these little funky tabs on here, and I'll show you what these do later on. And then you want to get a spark plug gapper, that like holder or whatever, that you can twist this knob down and you can close the gap. This is to close the gap. This one's to open the gap. So first thing that I do is I check all of my gaps, and mind you, I've already did these, and from right out the gate, they're typically set pretty close, but sometimes you don't catch one that's like not in spec for your bike. So Kawasaki says it should be between 0.8 and 0.9 millimeters. So I'm going with the 0.8. I'm gonna start with the smallest one first to check it out. And what I usually do is I just see if I can run it through here without any resistance, and I can. In the event that you can't, because that is the smallest setting, you're going to take this tool here, you're going to get it right here in here, and you're just going to pry it up just a little bit, and it's going to be on the base of this right here that you're prying up on, and not prying up on the little diode or electrode in there, and that makes your life a little easier. And you only have to do just a little bit. And then what you do from there is you set your spark plug in here, just like so. Let's get this down to it's kind of snug, so your spark plug don't fly out. And then you take your 0.8 and you slide it down in there, and you see if it fits, and mine does. If it doesn't fit or it's too loose, if it doesn't fit, you got to pry it out more. If it's too loose, then you just turn this in little bit by little bit, and then you keep taking your filler gauge and you go in there until you get the desired spec that you want. And then you take it back out like so, and your spark plug is gapped. So just a little quick, check that. because you never know from factory if they are gapped to the spec that you're supposed to have them at. And right now, I don't know if you catch, but I'm running the CR9 EIX. Kawasaki recommends the CR9 EIAs. The A's are the laser iridiums. These are the platinum iridiums or something like that. They both do the same job. I think the laser iridiums are just rated for more mileage, like 50,000 miles or 30,000 miles. I don't know, something like that. The EIXs are rated for a little bit lower mile, like 20K less miles before you have to change them. But I change mine anyway throughout the year, maybe once, maybe twice, depending on how harsh my tune is on my bike. But yep, check that out. I hope I was able to help you guys out a little bit, and good luck with that spark plug change because it is a mother.